Boy, do we ever need this with summer coming right around the corner. This fan was sent for our review, and I mean, I'll be honest, we live in the Caribbean. We need all the help we can get to get cool and to keep cool. This thing is not a normal fan. This thing is fantastic, no pun intended. It has a water supply right up there and a water canister at the bottom. Now, how this works, I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can actually see. I'm gonna turn it around like this. This fan, you put water in this, there's a pump that goes back, and it circulates. And all of these little fibers, that kind of like that cardboard looking mesh is actually fully wet. It's wet because water is coming from the top, it's getting pumped back on the top and going back all the way back down. Now, the great thing about this is that this fan actually comes with 4 ice packs. So if you want to even like up your cool these ice packs and put them right here. You can actually put them right there, like this, like that, and like this. Obviously right now they're not cool, but I gotta tell you, even without ice packs, this fan with the water makes a huge difference. We need all the help we can get, as I was telling you. You can turn off the cool. Oh my God, this is so nice. So I can turn off the cool and it becomes just a regular, fan that just displaces wind, right? Or displaces air. That's not a problem. You do have a swing function right here. So if I turn off the swing function, it's going to stop the swinging from this way like that. So I'm gonna turn it back on. Now it's going left to right to kind of throw that air around. I'm gonna go back onto the cooling system and you can see that cool right there. I've got 3 speeds, 1, 2, and the 3rd speed. I do have a mode that kind of like oscillates between those kind of speeds depending, but I just wanna blast that because this is made to live outside. Yes, I've seen it in other types of environments like, big shops or garages and things like that when it gets hot. Seen those, obviously, but for us outside when we're hosting, when we've got friends sitting at the table and you're sitting right here and you're having a conversation, you're having some dinner, and you just start sweating because clearly the weather is the weather. Well, this fan is fantastic for that. I've even seen people add ice cubes to this basket as well, because this here has a max fill line and a minimum fill line. We're about right in the middle right there. If we added ice in there, it would stay, super cool. And of course, that cool, that air hitting that cool water does the entire difference. Now it is not, I know most people think of a fan with water thinking it's going to mist. There is 0 mist coming out. So it is a dry. You're not gonna start getting humidity all over the place and you're not gonna start getting all wet. It is fully dry, but cool, which is fantastic. Now, I mean, look at this. And it is blasting a lot of air in there. And the power here is definitely lies right here with this whole setup being able to circulate that water up and down nonstop as long as you have water obviously in there. This thing is great. And I just noticed they even added little cup holders up there. So it actually is functional as well on top of keeping you cool. This thing is going to live right here for our parties with our friends so we can stay real cool all the time.